Did you know that if you laid out all the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would stretch over 60,000 miles? That's long enough to circle the Earth more than twice. This intricate network of veins, arteries, and capillaries carries a very precious fluid blood. This remarkable substance is constantly flowing through our bodies, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to every single cell. It's like a bustling highway system ensuring everything runs smoothly. Without blood, our bodies would simply cease to function. It's responsible for so much more than we realize. In this journey through the circulatory system, we'll uncover the fascinating world of blood and learn about its key components. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure into the very essence of life. Blood is a specialized bodily fluid that plays a critical role in sustaining human life. It's a complex mixture of cells, proteins, and other substances. Its primary function is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also fights infections and heals wounds. Red blood cells are the most abundant type of cell in our blood, giving it its characteristic red color. Their unique shape, like a disc with a dimple on each side, allows them to efficiently carry oxygen throughout the body. These tiny cells are packed with a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it to the body's tissues. Think of red blood cells as tiny trucks, constantly picking up oxygen from the lungs and delivering it to every corner of your body. They also pick up carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular activity, and transport it back to the lungs to be exhaled. Without red blood cells, our bodies wouldn't receive the oxygen they need to function. As Section 4 white blood cells, the body's defense force. While red blood cells are busy transporting oxygen, white blood cells are hard at work defending the body from harmful invaders. These cells are like the body's own personal army, always on the lookout for bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that can cause illness. There are several types of white blood cells, each with its own unique way of fighting infection. Some white blood cells, like neutrophils, act like Pac-Man, engulfing and destroying bacteria directly. Others, like lymphocytes, produce antibodies, which are specialized proteins that can recognize and neutralize specific threats. Thanks to the tireless work of our white blood cells, we can fight off infections and stay healthy. Section 5, platelets, tiny clot champions. Have you ever wondered how a cut stops bleeding? That's the work of platelets, tiny cell fragments that play a crucial role in blood clotting. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets rush to the site and stick together, forming a plug that helps stop the bleeding. Think of platelets as tiny bandages, always ready to patch up any leaks in our blood vessels. They release chemicals that activate clotting factors in the blood, which ultimately leads to the formation of a stable blood clot. This process is essential for preventing excessive bleeding and promoting wound healing. Section 6, plasma, the body's transportation system. Plasma is the liquid component of blood, making up about 55% of its total volume. It's a pale yellow fluid that acts as a transportation system for blood cells, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Plasma is mostly water, but it also contains proteins, electrolytes, and other important substances. Imagine plasma as a river, carrying all the essential components of blood throughout the body. It delivers nutrients to cells, transports hormones to their target organs, and carries waste products to the kidneys and liver for removal. Without plasma, the other components of blood wouldn't be able to reach their destinations. So there you have it. Blood, a seemingly simple fluid, is actually a complex and vital component of the human body. From transporting oxygen to fighting infections and healing wounds, blood plays a crucial role in keeping us alive and functioning. It's a remarkable testament to the incredible design of the human body.